There are two different options when printing labels from SmartOffice. The first, the plugin option, uses Microsoft Word and the Microsoft plugin for SmartOffice. The newer second option uses the editor, which is browser-based and requires no software installation. In this class, we'll take a look at the plugin option. The plugin option requires downloading the Microsoft plugin for SmartOffice located on the SmartOffice sign-in screen or on the welcome page. Before we get started, let's open our correspondence options. Click the Profile drop-down, then select Profile and Settings. Under User Preferences, click Correspondence Options. In the Correspondence Methods section, the plugin option is selected by default. After downloading the Microsoft plugin for SmartOffice, you'll be ready to print labels using Microsoft Word. You can download the Microsoft plugin from the SmartOffice sign-in page or welcome page. Again, this second option uses the browser-based editor. Unlike the plugin option, the browser option requires no software installation, so there's no need for the Microsoft plugin or the SmartOffice desktop integration. The browser option also works on both Mac and Windows operating systems. To learn how to print labels using the browser option, watch the Printing Web-Based Labels class. Like other mass correspondence, printing labels begins with selecting contacts. First, I'll demonstrate how you can create labels for contacts in a contact list. For this example, I've opened a set member list for all the contacts I send holiday greetings to. To print labels for contacts in a list, tag the selected contacts. For this example, I'll check the Tag All box to select all of the contacts in my set member list. With the contact selected for label printing, pass your cursor over the Correspondence button and select Launch Correspondence Wizard. I'll leave Tagged Records selected. You can see the number of contacts in my set here. You'll also notice I could have selected my set directly from the wizard if I wanted, which I'll describe in a moment. Click Step 2. In the Select a Method section, select Print Label. Click Step 3. SmartOffice opens a list of available label templates. Here, there are several different preloaded Avery labels included in SmartOffice. Select the label document number that matches the labels you're going to print. Click Step 4. And in the Recipient Address section, select which address you want listed on the labels. In this case, we'll leave Preferred Address selected. Click Preferences. And here you can see one letter per household has been selected by default. Also, the Contacts Mail Privacy setting has been selected. This means that SmartOffice will notify me if any contacts selected to be part of this mailing have requested not to receive any mailed correspondence. We won't need any headers or footers or follow-up activities for this example, so I'll click Next. And SmartOffice displays a list of contacts who will not receive the letter for various reasons. To override these exceptions and have a label printed for one of these contacts, you can tag a contact here and click the Override button, or I can leave the checkboxes clear to accept the exceptions and click Continue. SmartOffice tells me it will now download the file to my computer. Click OK. Click Preview All. And SmartOffice generates a print preview of the labels in Microsoft Word. After reviewing the labels, I'll close the preview. And at this time, load the label paper into your printer and click Print. Alternatively, you can also print labels directly from the Correspondence Wizard using the Mass Correspondence utility. To do this, select Sales and Marketing in the side menu. Then select Mass Correspondence. SmartOffice opens the Mass Correspondence options. Here you can choose contacts for the mailing. I'll select Using a Set. And SmartOffice prompts me to select the set. I'll use the same holiday greetings list I used in the previous example. Click Next. Now, I can select Print Label and follow the same workflow as described earlier in this class. Find additional FAST classes, user guides, and live web-based training by visiting the SmartOffice Training Center. Connect with other SmartOffice users on LinkedIn, exchange ideas, share solutions, and receive weekly tips and shortcuts. Contact our support team with any questions or concerns. Please also take a moment to complete a brief survey regarding this FAST class. Your opinion is important to us and we look forward to hearing from you. We hope you enjoyed this edition and we'll see you with our next edition of FAST Class.